Oo.
Oo nga.
Wala video. Me plus you. Ano nga minji kantan? Bagaw no.
Mag-audition ka?
Kangkong garlic tomato.
Nag-audition ka ba?
Hindi na.
Ingkitan 0.05 ml for children under 1 year of age. Remember, ang lagi kita yung mami, ano yung 0.05 ka na.
Hindi, maligayahan ko kayo na i-play. Ay, manggaya. Alam, madam, magaya. Alam, nag-fuck. Ba't ka nagpapakute? Cute ka ba?
Oo.
Aso ka? Aso ka?
Maganda ako.
Di ba? Ano ang cute sa'yo, Sheng? So, meaning, aso ka?
Hindi naman ako cute tanga.
Ah, sorry
Sikat cute eh. Dali lang cute. Ala, cute ko. Ano, Dali.
0.05 ml.
What's your name?
My name is Maria Crisela Fernandez.
What position are?
Alam mo, di ba ko?
Abay, di mo pa yung bis. What's your name?
My name
Ganyan talaga is hairstyle mo?
Hermione.
Yan talaga hairstyle mo? Okay, back to our client.
Okay.
What's your name again?
My name is Maria Crisela Luis.
Are you English speaking?
I'm not English spoken dollaring.
Why?
I'm just
Don't you know that we are required to speak English in this company? And you're and to think that you're applying for executive position.
a blind person.
That's why I'm... Oh. I don't know how to...
What makes you unique from other monkeys?
Because I'm not like you.
Monkey, I think you are
An example
asking
of an
me a
ordinary
wrong...
man.
I think you are asking me a
Eh,
wrong
pati
question.
insert man, dali
This is
nakapindot
supposed
ka
to
sa
be
USB
question in
telepon.
you, mister.
Will you shut up, Sheng?
Pag-insert man din
What are you? Are you the mother? Are you the mother?
No, I'm not. I'm the tiger. Ano yun?
Nag-corny?
Insert mo na, please.
Ano nag-joke? I-close mo din. I forgot. Sorry
What service can you provide in this company? What? Escort. So, what's your price?
It depends.
It depends upon the situation.
What?
It depends upon the situation.
No, it
What's
depends
it?
on the size.
Size of what?
Size of the person whom I will escort.
Really, Sheng? So, you mean Iggy? So, how much Iggy paid for you?
Iggy
I'm
paid
worthless.
Cheng for...
How
Wait.
about $3?
$3?
Oh, I love it.
Oh my God, you're so pathetic. There's a virus?
Nabita niya?
Yes, ate, adi na gano'n. Hindi ka mo?
Siya ka makasali mo.
Sila na paid ka.
Magnak-nak ka nga?
Ano yun?
Knock-knock.
Knock-knock.
Seryoso ako.
Knock-knock.
Who's there?
Tanga.
Who's there?
Knock-knock.
Ay, ano kami yun? Jeline.
Jeline.
Jeline who?
Jeline.
Oh, you're so bad. You're so mean.
Ay, adadali galiblan nga may ito yung nga ikat, amo ko.
Oh my God, there's a virus?
Trojan na.
Oo, te, ano deto eh.
Oh,
Ano ito?
virus. Delete now. Now, Yaya, now.
Oh, I'm not your maid, dear.
But yes, of course.
Ayan, tanggalin na.
Ano,
May ikapiak namin ti, movies ni Kasi. Yan di, saka mo nasulat
hindi ko English eh, umakon.
F ba F?
Oo, F.
So what's your final words for this interview? What's your final word?
Thank you.
Final quote?
Welcome.
Final smile? Final kiss? You love kisses? Okay. Thank you. Can you say thank you?
Tapos,
Can you acknowledge
okay na?
everyone?
I would like to thank
Whom?
um,
Whom? Whom?
Ikaw nagtuloy galiblan dun. Infected siya, di ba?
Huungan.
Galit ko na naman siya.
why?
Di ka pinedoy?
Ha, malapasan na.